Hello, I'm Rosie Hill, and I want to tell you a bit about my new book, Raising Confident Teenagers. This is a super challenging time to be bringing up adolescents. And although I've never met a parent who isn't doing their best, sometimes, despite all their efforts, things just seem to go wrong. So many teenagers are suffering from mental health issues, the effects of COVID-19, lockdown, neurodiversity, and social media use. And when young people are struggling, I believe that parents need as much support as they can get, and it isn't always available. In these circumstances, relationships tend to get strained. I've been supporting parents for over 30 years, and the experience has taught me effective ways of building better relationships, of making better connections within families, and I share these in the book. If things are going wrong in your family, if you feel you've tried everything but your teenagers are still being tricky or acting out in challenging or scary ways, then this could well be the book for you. If what you're doing doesn't seem to be working, surely it makes sense to try something else. What have you got to lose? And this book is full of tried and tested skills and strategies that have worked wonders for hundreds of parents. In the days when I worked with parents whose kids were involved with the Youth Offending Service, I developed the Take 3 parenting course to support those parents. We had a couple of extremely positive evaluations of the program, and after years of experience, I'm confident that the suggestions in this book are likely to work for most parents. Remember, if you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. And if you're up for trying out a new approach, the book is for you. We tend to put a lot of energy into trying to change others, but the good news is that if we change ourselves, our children are likely to change too. The not so good news is that making changes can be hard work. The book doesn't come up with quick answers. If it was that easy, you would have found them already. But if you're up for trying something new, try this book. And by the way, some of the suggestions are very simple. The book can also work as an invaluable handbook for people supporting adolescents and their families, those who are not trained parenting workers. For example, CAMS workers, social workers, teaching staff, child therapists, or youth justice workers. With the help of this book, they can guide parents through the Take 3 process. I hope you'll give it a try, and if it helps you and your teenagers, do let me know.